Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Beats Studio buds. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Beats Studio buds. How do you actually go ahead and use them? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, in order to pair your Beats Studio buds to an Apple device or any other device, you want to go ahead and open this up next to your iOS device, and it should appear there. Now if it doesn't, you can press and hold this center button here until the light starts to blink white. So if I press and hold this, you'll see that it's now blinking white. That means that it's in pairing mode right now. Now once you connect it to another device, other things you can do with your Beats Studio buds is that if you press on either earbud once, that is going to pause or play the audio. Okay, so I'm talking about this right here. This right here acts as a button. So if you press this once, that is going to pause or play your audio. If you press it twice, okay, that is going to skip to the next track. And then if you press it 3 times, that is going to skip to the previous track. Now, as far as changing the volume goes with your Beats Studio buds, you simply just have to say, "Hey Siri, turn down the volume," or drag the volume on another iOS device to control your music. As far as answering phone calls go, if you press your Beats Studio bud once, it's going to answer or end your call. Now, if you're already on a call and someone calls you again, if you press it once, that is still going to answer the call. If you press and hold it, that is going to reject an incoming call. And then if you press it twice while you're on a call, it's going to change the sound output to your iPhone. Now, as far as charging goes, your Beats Studio buds is being charged via Type-C USB-C cable. And then your Beats Studio buds also allow you to control how much you hear of your surroundings. So if you press and hold the Beats logo button while you're listening to music, that is going to switch between noise cancellation mode and transparency mode. So an active noise cancellation means that it's going to dim down background noise such as like jet engines or a busy street. But if you press and hold it again, it's going to be in transparent mode, which means that you'll be able to hear background noise while still listening to your music or answering phone calls. But that is essentially how to go ahead and use your Beats Studio buds. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.